Here about Gunsmoke Tap. Back out at the range again. You know what time it is. Time today we got the STF, Canik SFT PRO. Basically we're going to take it down range, suppress. Today got the hybrid 46 silencer code suppressor on it. Let's check it out, see how she does. Let's take a look at the group and see how we did with the suppressor. This is what we're looking like on the groupings. That's just a one shot down here. Basically everything looks good. The Canik SFT PRO real handle and silencer does real good, very quiet as you see. Basically bring it out for the first time. Going to be doing some further reviews on it. Just wanted to take a look and see how you guys like it. Remember, like, subscribe my channel. Gunsmoke, take a lot. Bye.